Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to roblox.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you can go ahead and click on any of the games you see. And after that, you will see this play button. So you want to click on it. And now it will show that Roblox is loading, but actually you will need to download and install Roblox. So you're going to click on it and now it will download the Roblox application, which you will need to install. Now after that, you will see Roblox application. You want to double click on it and then double click on Roblox Player Installer and click open. Just make sure you have enough space for it. And now it will configure Roblox. Now you're going to allow it to access your files. And that's pretty much it. Now you will need to sign in again. And once you will sign in, you will be able to play Roblox. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.